some tools that you're going to need to have to assemble this lift. Let's just go down a list. Number one, you'll need a set of metric Allen wrenches, a tape measure, strap cutter, number 2 Phillips screwdriver and flat blade screwdriver. Some open end wrenches that you're going to need is a 27 millimeter, 2 19s, and 2 14 millimeters. Be nice to have a 1/2 inch drive ratchet and a 3/8 drive. I like using an electric impact as well. Some white lithium grease, snap ring pliers, a box opener, a grease gun because we're going to grease all the fittings on it, a funnel, a couple of straps to help you turn your track, and you got to have some wax because we're going to wax the post here in just a minute.